everyone, and welcome back to Brick and Boots. This week we have a very special episode. If you can't guess where I am already, I am in Yosemite National Park. And in just 2 days, I'm embarking on the most epic backpacking trip I have attempted thus far. But that is 2 days from now. And that means I have just over 48 hours to enjoy one of my favorite places in the world, Yosemite National Park, when it is peak summer. So if you don't already, make sure you like and subscribe. And this week we are exploring Yosemite in summer. Welcome to Yosemite National Park. I literally just stepped off the bus here in Yosemite Valley. I've got about a day and a half to kill before I embark on my thru-hike of the John Muir Trail, and that gives us just enough time to explore Yosemite in peak summer conditions. So let's go get a bite to eat. I'm here at Camp Curry, which is one of my favorite places to stay inside the valley. And if we're here, there's only one proper place to get a bite for lunch, and that is pizza at the deck. So let's go get some food and then let's explore Yosemite. Cheers. On this trip, I'll be staying in Curry Village in Yosemite Valley. We had a couple of hours before our room was ready, and it is 90 degrees out in Yosemite. So hiking, not exactly on the menu. It is just way too hot and dry out. So that left only one really good option, and right now I am so glad I planned ahead, because since we are in peak summer, this is also the peak time to be spending out on the Merced River. I purchased this pretty cheap inflatable raft for like, I don't know, 15 bucks from Walmart and packed it out with me. I'm gonna be shipping it back home before I leave on the trail on Wednesday. But that means I have 2 full days of river bliss. Not a bad way to spend an afternoon. Except for, I do think we have some rapids coming up. All right, guys, let's go over these rapids, I guess. Oh, my butt! Oh, I'm gonna hit that rock. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! Alright, well, maybe don't... Oh, boy. Well, I've been beached. Okay, well, maybe don't hold your phone while going down these rapids. Well, that was the most incredibly delightful way to spend an afternoon I could possibly imagine. Floated to just north of Sentinel Beach, about 2 hours, and that's with a pretty slow-moving river. But again, if you're here in the peak of summer and it's hot as heck, which it often is, and you're looking for an afternoon activity, cannot recommend doing a float down the Merced enough. I haven't done that since I was a little kid, mostly because I don't often visit Yosemite in the summer. Try to avoid the crowds, but yeah, that was super worth it. All right, it's time to grab a free shuttle, head back to Prairie Village, actually check in for the night. All right, we are finally checked in. It has gotten very busy while we were out enjoying ourselves on the river, but I've got our key. We are in tent cabin 464. And if you've never stayed in Curry Village, here's a little peek. You've got a bunch of tent cabins. Essentially, these are soft-sided canvas 3-season tents. I think most of them do close down for winter, but I do think some of them actually have heating in them, so you can stay in them year-round. You do have to use a bear box when you're here, and because these are not bear-proof, these are not bear-proof places to stay. They do have a really bad bear problem here. So if you're planning on staying here, just know that each tent cabin comes with its own bear box that you absolutely must store all of your scented items in, just as if you were staying in a normal tent when you're camping. But in this case, you get to sleep in a real bed at night. All right, and here we are. Like I said, you got a basic bed, you got a little cubby, you got an electric socket, chair, a light, and a little rack and some towels. All right, I'm dressed, got myself a iced tea beverage, feel like a new woman wearing real clothes, and I think while the dinner rush is happening, we are going to go enjoy a spectacular Yosemite Valley sunset together. It's really just turning into the chillest Yosemite trip I've ever had, to be followed by the least chill trip I'll ever have. It is day 2 in Yosemite, and that means that I am leaving on the John Muir Trail in less than 24 hours.
What do you think about the Nevada Falls over there?
Yeah, so Clark Point, you have a view of Nevada Falls.
Right.
We are official, y'all. Got a permit. All right, errands are officially done. We got groceries, we got a wilderness permit, we've got laundry, all fresh and ready to go and be packed. I've been burning through sunscreen because it's been a billion degrees out, so I had to purchase more. And this was the most expensive bottle of sunscreen I've purchased in my entire freaking life. But it is 2 p.m. and everything that we need to get done is done. So I think the only thing left to do now is to chill and relax by the river. I'm gonna edit this video and a couple of others to go out. And tomorrow, we begin the John Muir Trail. All right, guys, that is gonna do it for me. We are well past Tiger Midnight here in Curry Village, so I'm going to try and get some sleep. I am a ball of nerves right now, but thanks for coming along on this mini Yosemite adventure and running some errands with me, and I will see you tomorrow for the John Muir Trail. Good night.